If we can get a donor to match that, 1,200. So we have 1,200 here. If we get one donor, first hand up for 1,200 to match that, we'll do 2 summer concerts. Ready to go. 1,200. 1,200 one time. First hand up wins it. It's only 1,200. And it's going for a great cause. $1,200. One more time. 1,200. You're the only concert winner this year, number 4. Congratulations. All right. Now, do we want to roll? We have a video for this next item. The biggest storms the plains have to offer. Well, who can pass that? All right, that's what it is. It is a storm chasing expedition offered to you by Hell Trace, and it's for sale there now. Where's my pictures? Right here we go. Now how many dollars? Would it be a $90,000 bid? Let's go now. $1,000. I want $1,000. Who'd give me the $1,000 bid? Now $1,000. Would be $1,000 now. $100. How about $100 bid? Thank you, sir. 102. Would be 200. Now 300. It's on now. 300. Get back to you now. 4. Over 400 and 500. 500. 500. Now 600. Your turn now. 600. 600. Now to you. 7. Now 800. Over 8. Would be 800. Over 800. You enter out. 800. Over 7 here. Now 800. Sir. Would be 800. Over 800. Over 8. Would be 8. Pull the trigger. I see you. Pull the trigger. Go ahead. $800. I want a 7 here. Now $800 bid. Would be 800. 8 would be 800. In the back. 800. Thank you, sir. To 9 now. Would be 900. Over 800 to 900. Over to 9 now. Would be 900. 900. Would be 900. 8 to 9 now. Would be 900. Over to 800 in the back. Now 900. Over 800 here. Now 9 now. Would be 900. 800 to 900. Over to 9 now. Would be 900. Gotta go. 900. Back in. Now 900. Now $1,000. Over $1,000. Now 1,100. $1,000 bid. Now 1,100. Would be 1,100. 1,000 there. Now 1,100. Get back in. Now 1,100. Never too late. Over 1,100. 10. 1,100. Excuse me. 1,000. Now 1,100. 1,000. Now 1,100. Would be 1,100. 1,100. Over 1,100. 1,100. Over 1,000 here. Now 1,100. New money. Right here. 1,100. Now 1,200. Would be $1,200. Over 1,200 in the back. Now 1,200. Would be 1,200. Now tell me yes or yes. Now 1,200. Now 13. Over 12 there. Now 1,300. Now 1,300. Go into 13. 13. You did. Now 13. 14. Would be 14. Over 4. That's the wrong way. 1,400. Now 14. Would be 14. Over 13. 14. 1,400. Would be 14. Over 13. Now 1,400. 13 here. Now 14. Where? Now 1,400. Would be 14. 1,400. 1,400 would be 1,400. Out of 13, 14. One more time, made 14. 1,400. 13, 14, 14 would be 1,400. 1,400, would you do it? 1,400. 13 here, 14. Last call, 1,400 would be 1,400. 13 to 14, 13 to 14. Sell it your way, sir. $1,300. Put them on buyer number 2. Buyer number 2. 1,300. Buyer number 2. Thank you, sir. Okay, next item. Okay, we will take another match. We have it here at 1,300. Who wants in on this for 1,300? First hand up gets it 1,300. In the back, what's your number, sir? 2, is that 288? My optometrist. I need my optometrist. 288 is the buyer. 1,300. 2 packages. Thank you very much.